Is FragranceNet legit? To know the answer, watch this video till the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm answering an important question. That is FragranceNet a trustworthy site or is it too good to be true? They offer incredibly low prices on perfumes with discounts like 43% off on retail prices. But are these deals legit and can you really trust them? Let's find out. So FragranceNet isn't just known for fragrances, they also offer skincare, makeup, hair care, and more. However, the standout category for most customers is their wide range of perfumes at affordable prices. So, is FragranceNet a reliable site to shop on? Absolutely. FragranceNet is one of the largest online fragrance retailers and they are completely legitimate. The products they offer are genuine and you'll receive what you order. If you take a look at their Trustpilot reviews, FragranceNet has accumulated over 70,000 reviews and maintains a solid rating of 4.1 stars out of 5. This shows that most customers are happy with their purchases. What I really appreciate is that FragranceNet engages with customers, responding to nearly all negative reviews. For example, some one-star reviews mention delays or shipping errors, but FragranceNet doesn't leave them unanswered. They actively address their concerns, ensuring that customer service will follow up and resolve the issue directly. On the popular fragrance subreddit, FragranceNet is frequently discussed, and the feedback is largely positive. One user shared that they have ordered from FragranceNet multiple times, and each time they received exactly what they expected. Another user said they've never had any issue with their products being genuine, and their orders have always arrived in good condition. There are occasional mentions of shipping delays in some parts of the country, but most users agree that these issues are rare. Overall, the majority of customers are pleased with the service. One user posted that they've brought most of their fragrances collection from FragranceNet and praised them for their quick shipping and hassle-free experience. So if you're wondering whether FragranceNet is trustworthy, the overwhelming consensus is yes. For those in Canada, FragranceNet also has a .ca site with even better prices. So if you're shopping from Canada, it's worth checking that out. So to sum up, FragranceNet is a legit, reliable online fragrance retailer. They offer genuine products, good customer service, and an overall positive shipping experience. If this review was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.